Good morning, Bitcoiners. How are you? Welcome to Bitcoin for Me Immortals. This channel where we're going to talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, technology, and the future. Bitcoin for Me Immortals is also a book available at Amazon, and if you retweet this video, I'll give you a copy of this. This is not financial advice. This is education and entertainment. Okay. Red day at the markets today. There's a lot of blood today. A lot of blood. Bitcoin down 7%, Ethereum 8% down. Everything down. Everything's down. What happened? Is this the end? Is this the end? Is Bitcoin going to zero now? Are we doomed? Are we doomed? What's going on? Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look at what's happening in the markets. The main reason why it's going down is a few reasons, but I think the main reason is that the Fed is going to have a meeting on Tuesday, and they're going to decide exactly how much they are going to do the tapering and raise the interest rates. So this is the market is already discounting that. The market is already expecting bad news, and they are selling now. And maybe on Tuesday the news won't be so bad, and they will buy at the bottom. This is not happening only to Bitcoin, it's happening to every altcoin and also to all the technology stocks. The Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, all of that is going down because of the bad news from the Fed. But you know, this is I think this is a mistake, because this is the market is still confusing Bitcoin for a technological asset, which is not. Bitcoin is technology, but it's financial technology. It's different from Google, it's different from Amazon, Intel, and Facebook. It's very different. So normally when the market matures, we will see going in opposite directions. Bitcoin should be going up today because the Nasdaq is going down, and Bitcoin is a safe haven for these days. The market still doesn't understand this. Wall Street have many whales there. They're investing in technology, and they're investing in Bitcoin. And when they dump everything at the same time. I reckon this is eventually this will change, but at the moment it's like that. Bitcoin is still volatile, and the stock market is still volatile. But you don't lose if you don't sell. Now it's time to hold. Now it's time to buy more, to DCA into it. And if you got more money, just buy the dip. Buy the dip, because this is a really good price right now. I think it's already bouncing a little slightly. It's gone from 38 to 39, but we'll see. If it might have a double dip. It usually comes in double. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 37 or even 36. And the weekend is going to be quiet as usual. So we will see until Monday, Tuesday. We won't see much change from here. But you know, it's not that bad after all. It's gone 7%, but we've been for a couple of weeks in 40,000, 41,000, and now we are 39. So it's not like a drama. I don't think it's a big drama here. But you know, if you got money, just buy more. The fear and greed index is at 19, obviously down from yesterday. Yesterday was 24, but I'm surprised it didn't go to 10, because it's right now there's a lot of panic. Yesterday there was a huge disappointment for a lot of people, including me. Bukele met Erdogan, and they talk about everything but not Bitcoin. We were expecting that they were talking about Bitcoin and how to maybe do some implementation in Turkey and try to save the country from inflation and all that. Apparently, officially that didn't happen. I don't know why, because for Turkey, I don't see a way out unless they do something radical like adopting Bitcoin. This is a MicroStrategy saying that they won't sell. They have $5 billion in Bitcoin, and they will not sell. In fact, there was a Twitter that Michael Saylor is probably going to buy the dip. Maybe today, maybe Monday or Tuesday. Also, Michael is posting this. One of the big miners is now in the Nasdaq. It's trading on Nasdaq. So this is very good news. I mean, miners are technology. They can be considered a technological company, obviously, and they are mining Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is the asset, so it's different. They shouldn't go together. But unfortunately, they are at the moment. But anyway, this is a very good news. Miners already in the elite of technology, and they are in the same place as Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Intel. So this is here to stay. This is the proof. One more proof that Bitcoin is here to stay. And also, this is a tweet again from Michael Saylor saying that if you're going to invest in Bitcoin, the short time horizon is 4 years, mid time is 10 years, and the right time is forever. Exactly. That's what you have to do. This is forever. If you worry about Bitcoin going down for a month, then you shouldn't be here. A lot of people are going to sell now. The weak hands are going to go, and they're going to regret it later. Don't be a weak hand, be a diamond hand. Okay, this week we have very, very good news for Bitcoin. Microsoft, Google, Walmart, Twitter, and now Facebook and Instagram, all of them have entered one way or another the metaverse, the NFT, the Bitcoin, the crypto market. Despite the good news, the price is going down. Why? Because it's the way it is at the moment. The whales are selling. They're trying to bring the price down, but eventually the fundamentals are stronger than ever. I mean, do you think Google will get into Bitcoin, or Facebook or Microsoft will get into Bitcoin if they think this was going to zero? No, they wouldn't. So it's time to buy. That's it. Look at the miners. Miners are. This is the price of Bitcoin going down, and the miners accumulating Bitcoin. They have more than ever. Not only they don't sell the Bitcoin they mine, they're only buying more Bitcoin. They are buying Bitcoin from other miners or Bitcoin from exchanges even, or over the counter, OTC. So if miners have so much faith in Bitcoin, so should you. And this is Russia. Okay, Russia. There was some news yesterday about the central bank thinking they proposing to ban cryptocurrencies in Russia and ban mining and ban everything. But now it's another contradiction coming from Russia, is that some politicians there, I'm not sure exactly who, they said that they don't rule out the possibility of to use digital assets to bypass the US sanctions being considered by Moscow. Obviously, Russia is threatening to invade Ukraine. If that happens, they will have more sanctions. They won't be able to use the dollar to buy stuff, to import goods and services from other countries, and then they will have a big problem to survive. So they're thinking of using Bitcoin as a safe haven. This is what Bitcoin is. This is actually, I don't want to say good news, because it's the reason behind it is wrong. You shouldn't use Bitcoin to escape the sanctions because you are invading another country. But Bitcoin works very well as a safe haven. Ukraine citizens are buying Bitcoin now because if they get invaded, they can keep all their wealth in Bitcoin and save it for a better day, while the local currency is going to zero. The local currency in Ukraine, if they get invaded, it goes to zero. In Turkey, they have 50% inflation. People are buying Bitcoin. Why? Because it's a safe haven. in every country where there is uncertainty, there is bad economic news, where the currency is collapsing, people buy Bitcoin, and that includes Russia. So yeah, this is what El Salvador explores low interest loan backed by Bitcoin. El Salvador is the only country that is sensible. I find this is very, very sensible. This is the thing to do. Fiat money is going down, even the dollar is losing 20% a year. So El Salvador is looking for a new alternative, a new economy, a parallel economy backed by Bitcoin. This is the right thing to do. Everything else is noise. I find that they are making a lot of mistakes, even countries, even, I don't know. I find that very strange. Also, senator from Mexico is congratulates the model, the Bitcoin model in El Salvador, and they wanna bring it to Mexico. They're trying. Some politicians there are trying to emulate what's happening in El Salvador and bring it to Mexico. This could be great news for Bitcoin and great news for Mexico. And what else we got? Cryptocom. Cryptocom is being hacked. Cryptocom has used to worry a little bit about them because they have grown too fast. Kraken and Coinbase and Binance, they go up slowly. They've been here for years and years and years. They're huge, but they have learned. They have grown slowly. They have grown on bear markets, on bull markets, and all that. But Cryptocom, he has attracted a lot of fans, and he has grown too fast. And when you do that, a lot of things don't work well. And obviously they have some hole in security, and now 483 accounts have been compromised, and they've lost 34 million. 34 million is nothing, and probably the exchange is probably gonna foot the bill with insurance or whatever. But just be careful. Don't leave too much money in the exchanges, even in the safe ones. Buy a cold wallet and put your money there. And this is some news I got from Benidorm in Spain. Taxis are accepting Bitcoin already in Spain. So there you go. That's good news. Okay, guys. No, don't worry too much. This is just noise. Bitcoin. You look at Bitcoin every 4 years, every 10 years, or forever. This is just noise. The fiat money is struggling. They are trying to bring Bitcoin down before it goes up to the moon. But this is time to buy. This is time to hold. Don't become weak hands. Become diamond hands. Remember to subscribe. Press the notification bell. Reply. Ask me anything down there, or suggest anything that you want me to talk about. And if you retweet this video, I'll give you a book for free. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.